Good morning and welcome to my latest video. This one's going to be relatively quick. This is a video really to enable you to check if your system is ready to go when it comes to using AI open source software. If you're thinking about it, then you really need to run this, and it will let you know what's on your system already and then what you need to install additionally to make sure you can run certain open source softwares. First thing you need to do, I mentioned in a previous video, is to pop over to my buddy Gary's Patreon page at CogniBuild. When you get over there, you'll find this page, and I'll put this link in the description below. But you don't have to subscribe for this. This is something free that you can download. It will check your system for Python, Git, nodes, FFmpeg. So what you do is you scroll down, you click on here, and it will download it onto your system. I've already downloaded it and I placed it in here. So what you do then is you're just going to run it, and it'll open up this terminal window, and it's going to then analyze your system. So it's telling you what processor you have, what graphics card, your physical memory. It will check if Git is installed. As you can see, it's installed on mine. Python, CUDA, and CUDA you're going to need that to run alongside your NVIDIA graphics card. If you don't have an NVIDIA's graphics card, then a lot of this open source stuff isn't going to work. So really think about that before you decide to jump in there. I'm not saying none of it's going to work, but it's certainly harder to get it working. And if you go to GitHub and check out a lot of the open source software, you'll find that an NVIDIA card is needed. Visual Studio is installed, FFmpeg is installed, Node is installed, npm is installed. Java, I didn't install that. I didn't need it for my system. So that basically tells me I've got pretty much everything installed that I need to run all these open source softwares. If you're looking to do text to image, text to video, video to video, image to video, and so forth. The only restraints on what you can do is what quality of computer that you have. I have probably an average, below average system, so I can certainly do all the text to image and other stuff relatively easy. I struggle with the text to video, so I don't bother with that too much. But what you can do once you have this and you know what's on your system, Gary has his, as I said, his Patreon page, and on here, if you sign up to it, you can get access to one-click installers that he has made, and you can click here and it will get your AI system installed correctly. So all that stuff that I just showed you that you need, he has a one-click install. You click it, it runs through. It'll ask you it will tell you if you have it installed. If not, you can run it and install it from there. He has a lot of one-click installers for a lot of the open source software. You can see some of them on the side over here. But yeah, that is basically what I wanted to show you today. So check it out, run that little bat file on your system, and it will tell you if you are ready to go or not. So have a wonderful day, and bye for now.